There is pleasure walking on these pathless woods, roads which lead us nowhere, but certainly teaches us that it's not always about reaching somewhere, but it's the journey that we go through, making our own choices, making our own path for ourselves, and leaving the trails for others to follow. Listen to the vibe, walking into the woods on a misty, foggy afternoon, set by the rustle of leaves and the sweet lullaby of birds, which is far better than the noise of our cities. Welcome to the Singalila National Park. Far beyond our worldly existence, there is this place, there is this experience with no madding crowd, waiting to be explored, waiting to make you rediscover yourself like never before. If you like the smell of maple leaves, thrilled about long hectic trails, chanting of exotic birds, excited to do difficult hikes to catch the glimpse of red panda and many other wildlife, then this is the place for you. Because the unexplored wilderness and the untouched beauty will tame the every bit of wanderlust inside you. So, this is a story about how we got the privilege to witness the beauty of the place. Staying at a homestay known as the Habr's Nest inside the national park for 5 days, we explored the place on our foot with the help of the locals. Now, even though our main objective was to see the cutest animal on planet, the endangered red panda, we also wanted to experience the other exotic wildlife it has to offer. So we started exploring the place every day, walking these trails as much we could. Singalila National Park is a part of the Eastern Himalayas. The Singalila mountain range runs from the north to south, separating the western from the eastern Himalayan ranges. Because of the wide altitude range of around 7,000 to 10,000 feet, it supports 3 different ecosystems: subalpine, subtropical, and the broadleaf forest. It's also a home to a number of small mammals like red panda, leopard cat, the barking deer, the yellow-throated marten, the clouded leopard, and many more. It is also a bird's paradise with over 120 species being recorded so far. And of course, we were blessed enough to see some of those. There were several trails, each one of them around 7 to 8 kilometers long, and we decided to cover them every day, one at a time. Walking on these trails at an altitude of around 9,800 feet on steep, rugged terrains gave us thousands of pant and puff, but it certainly made the path or the journey worth remembering. We could literally feel our breath, listen to our heart racing. Life seemed to have slowed down for us to savor the moment. There was no hurry, nowhere to go, nowhere to reach. These trails were simply there to make us experience life and nature at its best. We felt solitude and intangible wealth beyond our worldly luxuries. And even though we captured a handful of moments in here, but it's like we never left the place. Rather, we left a piece of ourselves there, which will always resonate in our memories.